This is our spray foam rig. Spray foam rig, what constitutes a spray foam rig? You have two products. In the white drums here, you've got the resin. The red drums here, we've got the isocyanates. Isocyanates is pretty much the same product across the board. It is one chemicals. There's a few plants in the world that produce this chemical, specific chemicals. We use a product that is being designed by Soprema. So it is their Sopra product. Those two products needs to be mixed at a 1:1 ratio. So if we look, we use 1 liter of this one, we need to use 1 liter of this one to make our product, our spray foam, directly on site. So the way it works, we got our main drums here with the products. We got those two pumps here that are inside the drums. The pumps will pump the product into those hoses, and they're going to push those to this machine over there. The role of this machine is to warm up the product and to put it under pressure. We always say in the industry, spray foam is a mix of two things, pressure and heat. So that machine is going to put our product to a temperature that we want. We can select it. I'm not going to turn it on right now, but we can select everything on the screen of how much temperature we want, how much pressure we want. Once that machine has heated and pressurized the product, it goes out of this manifold here all the way down into that protected hose, comes back around, and its final destination is this big hose here. Here we call that also a manifold, to a spray foam gun. The spray foam gun goes underneath here, and the product's been applied. In this gun, we've got two different entrances. So one product's come here, the other one comes on the other side. Then once they reach the inside of the gun, there's a mixing chamber that is going to mix these two products together. As soon as they're mixed, and this takes a quarter of a million of a second, this gun with the air hose that's attached to it is going to send this product and send it on the wall. So if we're shooting the gun, you've got isocyanates, resin, 1:1 ratio, send on this gun, and as soon as it hits the wall, that's when the frothing pattern happens. So it's going to puff up quite a bit. Like I said, all of these products works together, but to run a rig like this one, you need a lot of power, right? So if you want to follow me over here, so over here we've got our generator, and this generator is attached to this truck. So wherever that truck goes, that generator goes with it. It's not like we're going to move it. Usually those rigs are built, and they're built to last until their last day kind of thing. So we got that very powerful generator that's going to be able to provide the front unit with power to do all of the, like I said, the heat and the air pressure. Now for the air pressure, we also have a compressor here. The compressor will supply that whole rig with compressed air. Now that compressed air passing that hose comes into that machine. What does that machine do is it's going to remove the humidity from the air. So that's a dehumidifier. Why is that important? Because our two products that we have in the front, our isocyanates and resin, if any humidity gets in there, we're going to ruin the product. It's going to start its reaction, or it's actually going to ruin the product altogether. So it's very, very important that we make sure that that thing is open whenever we start shooting, and that your rig is equipped with one of these. One more piece that we have in this rig, it's a little heater here in the corner. That is mostly for winter months. So when it gets very, very cold outside, our chemicals needs to stay between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius to be at a good storage temperature. Less than that, we risk problems. More than that, same thing, it's going to give us problems. So that heater here is going to allow us to make sure that this rig stays at the right temperature all winter. Okay guys, this is it for today. We'll see you on the next video.